Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video we are actually not gonna be showing you any trades. In today's video we're gonna be talking about what are times that we should stay away from the chart and what are actually the good days that we are should be looking for good opportunities and enter trade. But before we start with that, if you guys are really enjoying our videos and you see value in it, you can go ahead and subscribe to our channel. That really helps us a lot and really motivates us, to make more valuable videos, and hopefully we help you, get better results on your trading. But now let's start talking about the times that you're not supposed to be trading, because this is really important. I'm gonna start with first of all, you can see this huge candle. This is Friday, so on Friday, especially after afternoon, there is a lot of news going on, a lot of release on news, and the market is acting weird. And you can see, imagine you were opening a trade here, and you see this big wick. So even if you were to bought this euro against USA dollar, and your stop loss was gonna get hit, and then the price was gonna go in your direction, but first you were gonna be out of the trade, and then the price continuing going up. So that's a really tricky moment to be on the market, and Friday you're gonna see that a lot. Quite often it happening, the price is just acting normal, and then big news hits the market, and then it becomes really volatile, and you just make losing trades, and it's really frustrating. That's why you should stay away from the market on Friday. You can actually still watch the market, but just don't trade. Just look at what's going on. That might be giving you some directions for the next week. So it's good to explore the market and see how the market reacts, and especially on the particular news, because every month the news are there is certain news that are repetitive, that basically reports and stuff like that, so you can see how the price is reacting to those kind of news. And then next week or next month you can still not trading Fridays, but after those Fridays on the next week how the price reacts. Like, let's say the price was jumping up a lot, and then next week you see and you already know what's going on. The price will make a correction and then keeps going up. So it's gonna be patterns, and you're gonna be like easily recognizing those kind of patterns, and how the price reacts on a particular currency pair or metal or whatever you're trading. It's gonna be way easier for you to know that kind of stuff. So that was about Friday. As I said, really try to stay away from the chart on Fridays. Fridays are basically try Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to make it as your days off. So you have basically like 4 day work week. And of course, if you have opened a position from Thursday, and you want to wait, you can wait until Friday, but it's better for you to close out all of your positions, because this way, you're not gonna be thinking about them over the weekend, and you can actually enjoy your days, and that's why we're actually trading here. We want to enjoy our time, and we don't want to think about the market 24/7. So that's about the Friday trading. Now, let's talk about another times that it's not really good to trade, and basically it's not good at all. And this is on holidays. When there is a holidays on the market, guys, this is a time that you really should enjoy your days, and you don't even really have to stay in front of the computer and watch the charts, because not much is really happening on the market. Even if it's not a holiday in your country, you should treat it like a holiday, because there is not a lot of volatility on the market. There is not a lot of movement. Not a lot of people are actually, and most important, banks and institutions are actually trading those days. So when you're waiting on a particular movement, most of the time it's not actually even gonna happen. So for example, if a normal movement, let's say it's 50-60 pips that you expect to happen in the next couple hours or a day, in that kind of day it would take maybe like the whole day, or maybe even on the next day. It just the market's not moving, and it's really frustrating because let's say you open a position, and then you set your take profit, your stop loss, and you come back and check the chart, and you see after a few hours and the price barely moved like 5 pips or 10 pips, and it's really no point. It's really a waste of time, to stay in front of the charts and trying to, especially if you're doing a technical analysis, because if there is no any news on the market, which most likely there's not gonna be if it's a holiday, so you're just gonna be wasting your day. You're gonna be checking your positions, and they won't be really moving a lot, and the technical analysis are not as correctly as they are usually gonna be. So definitely this is another time that we do not recommend you to trade and stay in front of the computer at all. It just go out, have a dinner, have a lunch, enjoy time with friends and your family, but it just really waste of time. And that's what we wanted to say about trading on on the holidays. Really, it just there is no movement on the market. That's And you can even make a sticker or note or whatever. Just put it next to your computer, and we all have the economic calendar, so you can always see what are those days, and you can just skip them, just have a day off. And I'm just gonna show you real quick right here. So you see here we have like 90 pips, around 90 pips. So that movement on a holidays, maybe it's gonna move like 10 to 20 pips instead of 90. So you see like what I'm saying when I mention like waste of time. But enough about holidays. There is another time that we actually do not recommend you to trade, and as you probably already know, the market actually is opening on Sunday night, and this is the time that this is probably the worst time. I mean, not sure how to compare it between Friday, but Sunday is a really bad day to trade. And the reason for that is that there is a lot of orders going in, and the markets are going crazy. And between Sunday night until Monday morning, early in the morning, the spreads are so high, so it's crazy. Like the price is just jumping up and down, and then like I said, the spread, you're gonna pay like double or triple spread. So it's really not worth it to start and trying to find a position, because even your strategy that you're using and the technical analysis, if you play with with the stop loss that it's like not really wide, the chances of your stop loss getting hit, it's huge because of those spreads. And it just the strategies doesn't really work on Sunday night until Monday morning. So we have and when we say that, we've been there, we've done that. We're saying it because we were doing that. We were impatient years ago, and we wanted to jump on the trade. The market is open, okay, we want to be on the market, we want to open a trade, but that's the dumbest thing you can possibly do. And we were losing. Most of the time we enter a trade on a Sunday night, most of them just losing, and it's a frustration. And you don't want to start your week frustrated. You have a whole week ahead. You can have as many trades as you want. So just try not to trade those days. And now let's talk about what are the best days to trade. And the best days to trade are actually Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So you guys can actually try and set your trades for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and only for 3 days you can actually manage everything that you want to do and complete in 1 week. So let's say you can just simply, you know, see through Monday when the market opens, or Sunday night, but we recommend you Monday. Let's say Monday morning, you see where based on your strategy where the most opportunity. Let's say we have here a Euro USA dollar, Australian dollar, USA dollar, we have Australian dollar, Swiss franc. You know, you can just you know, put it one to next and see which one has the more potential to actually, you know, play out on your strategy, and that's how you set them up. And once you set them up, you know, you can go through them, and basically Monday is gonna be the day that you're gonna be you know, trying to define your trend, trying to see where the most potential is in all of the tools that you're, you know, looking at. So basically Monday is gonna be your preparation day. Of course, if you want, you can do Saturday, Sunday. You can read the news, what happened last week. So you know, that's basically a preparation for you for the next week. And then Monday you can just see, you know, where the price is going. And because we're followers, you know, we are trying to stay with the big institutions, so we see where they're moving the price, where they're taking the price, and we're just following them, and we take from those profits. So that was everything, guys, for today's video. I really hope we help you understand, you know, what are the days that you should not be trading and when you should trade, you know. And basically there is a saying that I really like: the less is more, and this is especially for Forex true 100%. So less trading, I can promise you, make more profits. But that was everything. If you enjoyed this video, you know, you can like it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.